How to access archive chats on ChatGPT. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to access archive chats on ChatGPT. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch any extension, suppose Google Chrome. Navigate to search bar and type in ChatGPT. You can easily launch it by tapping on the first link or launch it directly. Tap the 3 or 2-line menu icon at top left corner of your screen. And these are all your history. You can easily tap on particular history, and next to it you can see 3 dots. Select that, and from this menu tap on archive. So once you have archived the chat, again you need to tap on the menu icon at top left corner and then navigate to the user icon at bottom left corner. Make sure that you have logged in and navigate to settings. Tap general, and here you can easily find out archive chats. Tap manage, and here you can easily see all the archived chats on ChatGPT. If you wish to unarchive, you can tap on the archive icon again and unarchive it. If you wish to delete, tap the trash button and tap the delete. So that is how we can successfully access archive chats on ChatGPT. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.